Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix unexpected store exception blue screen error on Windows 10. PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy text from description and paste it. Type exit from PowerShell. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. sfc/scan file equal to c:\Windows/system32. /iframe.dll. sfc/verify file equal to c:\Windows/system32. /iframe.dll. chkdsk. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.